Good morning. We will start session 4 on chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities. So here in today's session we will study about, in previous session we studied multiplication of a monomial and a monomial. So today's session will be multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. So let's start with the first one. Carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pair. So I'll mark few for homework, children, here. That is first one is for homework and third one is for homework. I'll start from the second part. AB of A minus B. Always remember what you want to multiply. If it is a monomial, always make sure that you bring it to your left hand side. Easy for multiplication. Multiply, distributive property what we will apply here. That is AB into A is A square B minus sign as it is A B square. That's all. Quite simple. Third one I have marked for homework. Fourth one I will do it. 4A of A square minus 9. 4A into A square, 4A raised to 3. 2 times 1 time, 3 times minus 4 9s are 36A. Fifth one, 0 into PQ plus QR plus RP. Now any number multiplied by 0 is what? 0. Directly write it as 0. Very simple. Okay. Complete the table. They have given you first expression, they have given you second expression, and you need to find the product. The tabular column is for homework. How do you do this? Simple. Multiply as we applied here for multiplication. Complete that. I mean, not in the textbook, but this has to be done in your classwork. So I think I will take up one sum here in this just to show you all how to do it. So second one can I show you? So always as per the rule I will write monomial to my left hand side. X plus y minus 5. 5xy into x. 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 5 5s are 25xy. Right? And the remaining are for homework. We'll quickly start with the next way, that is third way. Find the product of A square into 2A raised to 22 into 4A raised to 26. First multiply with the number. It is 4 2s are 8. A raised to 26, 22 and 2. We are actually means A is 26 times. A is 22 times and A is 2 times. Finally 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So A is how many times actually? A is 50 times. So A raised to 50. Next one. Second one. 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. So here it is a multiplication of again a monomial and a monomial. First simply multiply the numbers. Okay, I mean just write 2 into. So this is 2 into minus 9 divided by 3 into 10 into what it is, or the numbers. Immediately we can write x 2 times x 2 times. So here 1 time x raised to 3, y raised to 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Right? So this is minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube is the answer. Quickly we'll move to the next one. Third one, minus 10 by 3 p q into 6 by 5 p cube q. Now even here same thing, first multiply with the numbers. Minus 10 into 6 divided by 3 into 5. P how many times? 4 times. Q how many times? 4 times. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Always cancellations do in pencil. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So this is 2 twos are minus 4 p raised to 4 and q raised to 4. And the last one, fourth one, x into x square into x cube into x4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. X raised to 10 times. See, powers are added only in multiplication, right? Because in addition, suppose if addition you can't do only because they become unlike terms. Unlike terms can only be multiplied but not added or subtracted. We'll quickly start with the next way. Fourth way, simplify and find the value of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. I'll take up 1 in here, that is in fourth main, a part, x is equal to 3 will be for homework. So, fourth main, a part, x is equal to 3 is for homework children. X is equal to 1 by 2 I will do, okay. So, what is the question given? 3x of 4x minus 5 plus 3. Find the value for x is equal to 1 by 2. Two methods we can use to solve here. 3x of 4x minus 5 plus 3. Either we can multiply the given thing and then substitute the value of x, or substitute the value of x and find. It is up to you because they have just given us to simplify. So what we will do, anyhow, whatever you do, it will be right only. Let's multiply first. 3x into 4x, 3 4s are 12x square. I am using this method. You can substitute and do it, up to you, there and then. Minus 3 5s are 15x plus 3. X value is what? 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 of 1 by 2. Plus 3. Correct? Wherever x is there, I have put 1 by 2. Don't cancel 2 1s and 2 6s because square is there. 12 into 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 plus 3 6 minus 15 by 2. LCM is 2 into 2. 12 minus 15, that is equal to 3 by 2. The value of this is 3 by 2. Very clear how to find it? Okay. We'll start with the next one. I have given you x is equal to 3 for homework. So I have given you x is equal to 3 for homework. Once again, 12 minus 15 minus, because greater the number sign we have to give here. Yes. Minus 3 by 2 is the answer. We'll quickly move to the next one. Next one, I will be solving two sums. I will be giving one homework in this. In B part, A is equal to 1 is for homework. 0 and minus 1 I will solve children. So, B part, A of A square plus A plus 1 plus 5. Now, what is the value of A? A is equal to 0. Now, again, two methods you can do this here. Either put 0 there and then and solve, and simplify. Now, what I will do here is I will use another method. I will put 0 there only, wherever it is there. 0 square plus 0 plus 1 plus 5. 0 into any number is what? 0 plus 5. Answer is 5. So understood how can we substitute also? Now this sum what I will do is I will substitute there only. If you want us to show you, we can even substitute the values here or we can multiply and substitute. Both the methods you understood here. So what is the next part? Again we have to solve this for a square plus a minus 1, sorry plus 1 where a is equal to, what is the value given? Minus 1. Okay. So a cube plus a square plus a plus 5 minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 5. We know that a negative number raised to odd power, answer is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. What will get? Minus minus plus, plus into minus, minus 1. A minus 1 raised to even power, minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus is plus 1. This is minus 1 plus 5, plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Okay, we'll move to the next one, add. So you understood what is your homework, what values you have to substitute. A part, add P of P minus Q plus Q of Q minus R plus R of R minus P. First simplify with the bracket by multiplying a monomial with a monomial. P square minus PQ plus Q square minus QR plus R square minus PR. So group it, P square plus Q square plus R square. Can you cancel anything here? No, write it as it is. Minus PQ minus QR minus PR. Over. You cannot do anything in this sum because there are no like terms. Next one, B part. 2x of z minus x minus y plus 2y, and is always plus, z minus y minus x. Multiply this, 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Okay. So any common terms what you have here? Do you have xz anywhere? No. Do you have x square anywhere? No. Do you have xy anywhere? Yes, we have xy anywhere. So write off with that particular thing. 2xz minus 2x square minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4xy plus 2yz minus 2y square is your answer. Subtract a given thing from this. Now we know that whenever from is there, what we have to do. But what we will do first now is we will write it and then we will first whatever from they have given we will write in the other way and do it. C part, I will write the from part already here children, I will not copy the question. Solution, because wherever from is there that should come first. 4L will come this side. 10n minus 3m plus 2l minus 3l of l minus 4m plus 5l. Okay. Open the bracket first. 10 4s are 40ln minus 4 3s are 12ln plus 4 2s are 8 L square. Okay. Minus 3 into L, 3 L square. Minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12 LN. Minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15 LN. Group the terms 40 LN, 50 LN. 40 LN minus 15 LN plus 12 LN minus and plus minus 12 LN plus 12 LN. Left is these two plus 8 L square minus 3 L square. Forty minus 15. So how much do you get? 25 LN, right? Minus LN and plus LN will get cancelled. 8 minus 3 plus 5 L square is your answer. Similarly, we'll try the next one. Next one is quite quick. So what we will do first here is, anyhow, writing part we will write as this. Subtract this. Two terms are given from the given term is given. I am only writing solution, children. Question I am not writing. That is why from will come first always. So from part I am writing first. D part, which is 4C of minus A plus B plus C minus, shall I put a bigger bracket here because two terms are there, 3A of A plus B plus C minus 2B of A minus B plus C. Let me check the term. 4C of minus A plus B plus C minus of 3A of A plus B plus C minus 2B of A minus B plus C. I only open the brackets inner part first with respect to this also. Minus 4AC, minus is there here, plus 4BC plus 4C square. Keep minus as it is. 3A square plus 3AB plus 3AC minus 2AB minus plus 2B square minus 2BC. Any common terms, anything you can simplify? Simplify of here only. Minus 3AB minus 2AB. So anything AC, A square, B square and BC is not there. Write this term as it is first. Minus 4AC plus 4BC plus 4C square minus 3A square, 3 minus 2 plus AB plus 3AC plus 2B square minus 2BC. Okay. Now open the bracket with minus sign. Minus 4AC plus 4BC plus 4C square minus 3A square minus AB minus 3AC minus 2B square plus 2BC. AC term, look for AC term we have here. So any other AC? No. Minus 4AC minus 3AC. Only if you look for those terms, only then you will get. Look for BC term. Plus 4BC plus 2BC. Plus 4BC plus 2BC. C square term is not there. A square term is not there. B square term is not there. AB term is there. We don't have any other terms left over here, right? Yes. So remaining terms we will write as it is with respect to first. We will write A square minus 3A square minus 2B square plus 4C square square minus AB. 4AC, 3AC minus 7AC. 4 plus 2, 6BC minus 3A square minus 2B square plus 4C square minus AB. Right? So with all the terms you have to be very careful in adding, subtracting, removing the bracket, very careful. So with that we complete today's session.